In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete a draft from your TikTok account. It is actually very easy. Now, in order to delete a draft, open the TikTok app. Make sure you have logged into your account. Now tap on profile on the bottom right. Now once you get into your profile page, you can see drafts on your post section. Here you can also see the number of your drafts you have saved. Now tap on it and your draft section will be open. Now from this section, tap on select on the top right of the screen and now select the post that you want to delete, and then tap on delete on the bottom and then again tap on delete button. Once you tap on it, you can see the change on your draft, and that's how you can delete a draft on TikTok. If this video helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you have tap on bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. That's gonna be all for today. I will see you in my next video.